हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू स्टडी चैनल। आज हम हिस्ट्री के एमसीक्यूज करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बाणभट्ट वाज द कोर्ट पोइट ऑफ विच एम्परर? बाणभट्ट वाज ए संस्कृत स्कॉलर एंड पोइट ऑफ इंडिया. He was the Ashtan Kavi in the court of King Harshvardhana, who reigned in the year 606 to 647 Common Era in North India. Banvat principal works include a biography of Harsh, the Harsh Charitra, and one of the world's earliest novel, Kadambari. The other work attributed to him is the Pravarti Prene. So correct answer is Harshvardhana. The first Indian ruler who established the supremacy of Indian Navy in the Arabian Sea was Rajaraja I. Rajaraja I created a powerful standing army and a considerable navy, which achieved even greater success under his son Rajendra Chola I. One of the last conquests of Rajaraja was the naval conquest, which one is old island of the sea numbering 12,000 in Maldives. Chola Navy also had played a major role in the invasion of Lanka. So correct answer is Rajaraja I. The Saka era commencing from AD 78 was founded by Kanishk. The date of Kanishk accession is disputed, ranging from 78 AD to 248 AD. The generally accepted date of 78 AD is also the basis for an era presumably started by the Akas and used in addition for the Gregorian calendar by the present day Indian government. So correct answer is Kanishk. Gandhara school of art came into existence in Mahayan sect. With whom is Junagadh rock inscription associated? The Junagadh rock inscription founded in Junagadh was carved under the order of King Rudradaman, who had obtained the title of Mahakshtra. So correct answer is Rudradaman. Nalanda University was a great center of learning, especially in C. Nalanda was an ancient center of higher learning in Bihar, India. It was a Buddhist center of learning from the 5th or 6th century Common Era to 1197 Common Era. So correct answer is Buddhism. The language used to write source material in ancient time was Pali. Pali is a Middle Indo-Aryan language of Prakritic group of the Indian subcontinent. It is best known as the language of many of the earliest extant Buddhist scriptures as collected in the Pali Canon or Tripatak and as the liturgical language of Triveda Buddhism. So correct answer is Pali. India's trade with the Roman Empire came to an end with the invasion of Rome by the See, Roman trade with India started around the beginning of the Common Era following the reign of Augustus and his conquest of Egypt. The Huns invaded the Roman Empire under Attila the Hun in 454 Common Era. So correct answer is Huns. The people of the Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of the Indus Valley civilization marked by its remarkable level of urbanization. Despite being a Bronze Age culture, it is noted for its city built of brick, roadside drainage system, and multi-story houses. Houses were 1 or 2 stories high, made of baked brick, with flat roofs, and were just about identical. Each was built around a courtyard with window overlooking the courtyard. The outside walls had no windows. Each home had its own private drinking well and its own private bathroom. So correct answer is Puka bricks. Who started the Saka era and when? Most of what is known about Kanishk derives from Chinese sources, particularly Buddhist writings. When Kanishk came to the throne is uncertain. His accession has been estimated as occurring between his reign is believed to have lasted 23 years. The year 78 marks the beginning of the Saka era, a system of dating that Kanishk might have initiated. So correct answer is Kanishk in AD 78. Worship of Mother Goddess was associated with, in view of the large number of figures found in the Indus Valley. Some scholars believe that the Harappa people worship a mother goddess symbolizing fertility, a common practice among rural Hindus even today. So correct answer is Indus Valley civilization. Alexander and Porus fought a battle at Hydaspes. The Battle of Hydaspes River was fought by Alexander the Great in 326 BC against King Porus of the Hindu Paurva kingdom on the bank of Hydaspes River in the Punjab near Bahrain, what is now modern day Pakistan. The battle resulted in a complete Macedonia victory and the annexation of the Punjab, which lay beyond the confines of the defeated Persian empires, into the Alexander Empire. The battle is historically significant for opening up India for Greek politically and cultural influence, which was continued for many centuries. So correct answer is Hydaspes. Mahabalipuram is an important city that reveals the interest in arts of Mahabalipuram was a 7th century port city of the South Indian dynasty of the Pallavas, around 60 km south from the city of Chennai in Tamil Nadu. The name Mahabalipuram is believed to have given after the Pallav king Narasimhavarman I. So correct answer is Pallavas. Currently, Mahabalipuram has been classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Lord Mahavira died at Pavapuri. Pavapuri is a holy site for Jains located in the Nalanda district in Bihar. Around 500 BC, Lord Mahavira, the last of the 24 Tirthankars, achieved moksha or nirvana. He was cremated at Pavapuri at the age of 72 years in 468 BC. Also known as Apapuri, the sinless town. So correct answer is Pavapuri. The gold coins were introduced first in India by the Greeks. The Indo-Greek kings were the first to issue gold coins in India, and their coins were special in sense that each king had his own distinctive coins by which he could be definitely identified. The name of at least 30 Bactrian kings are known with the help of the numerous coin, and they help in the reconstruction the history of the kings. The coins carry legends in Greek and also in Khartoshi and Brahmi. So answer is the Greeks. Which of the following dynasties conquered Sri Lanka and Southeast Asian countries? The Cholas. The most distinguished ruler of the Chalukya dynasty was Pulakesin II. Pulakesin II was the most famous ruler of the Chalukya dynasty. In his reign, the Chalukyas of Badami saw their kingdom extended over most of the Deccan. Pulakesin II routed the Pallav king Mahendra Varman I in the Battle of Pulalur. In a decisive battle fought on the banks of the river Narmada, Pulakesin defeated Harshvardhana. So answer is Pulakesin II. Harshcharit was written by Banbhat. The Harshcharit is the biography of Indian Emperor Harsha by Banbhat, also known as Ban, who was a Sanskrit writer of 7th century in India. He was the Ashtan Kavi, meaning court poet of King Harsh. So answer is Banbhat. Tripatak is the religious book of Buddhist. Tripatak is the three main category of texts that make up Buddhist canon. As the name suggests, a Tripatak traditionally contains three baskets of teaching: a Sutpitak, Vinaypitak and Abhidhampitak. So answer is Buddhist. Which of the following materials was mainly used in the manufacture of Harappa seals? Seals are an impressive part of surviving art of Harappa culture. Of these, the great majority has animal engraved on them and a short inscription. They are mainly made of terracotta, which is a type of earthenware or clay-based unglazed or glazed ceramic, where the fireboard is porous. So answer is terracotta. Who was the Chola king who brought Ganga from north to south? Rajendra Chola. What was Chandragupta II also known as? Chandragupta II was the third ruler of Gupta Empire of India who took the epithet of Vikramaditya. 4th century Common Era. Sanskrit poet Kalidas credits Chandragupta Vikramaditya with having conquered about 21 kingdoms, both in and outside India. The title Vikramaditya was later used by 16th century Hindu king Samrat Hemchandra Vikramaditya as well. So answer is Vikramaditya. The first grammarian of the Sanskrit language was Panini. Panini was a Sanskrit grammarian from Pushkalavati, Gandhar. He is known for his Sanskrit grammar, particularly for his formulation of the 3959 rules of Sanskrit morphology, syntax, and semantics in the grammar, known as Ashtadhyayi, meaning 8 chapter. So answer is Panini. The famous poet Kalidas lived in the court of Chandragupta II. Kalidas was one of the 9 gems at the court of king named Vikramaditya, generally identified with the great Gupta ruler Chandragupta II. What is Milind Pano? Milind Pano means Question of Milind is a Buddhist text which dates from approximately 100 BC. It purports to record a dialogue in which the Indo-Greek king Menandr I of Bactria, who reigned in the 2nd century BC, poses question on Buddhism to the sage Nagasena. So answer is a Buddhist text. Well-preferred tree fossil supposed to be from Jurassic age in India is reported from Chhattisgarh. Which of the following does not have a stoop? The great stoop at Sanchi was built by Maurya Emperor Ashok. Dhamek stoop in Sarnath is thought to be oldest stoop in existence. The stoop of Barhut is between Allahabad and Jabalpur, situated in the erstwhile Nagaur state of Madhya Pradesh. So answer is Ranchi. Ranchi does not have any stoop. The site of birth of Gautam Buddha is marked by Lumbini. The birthplace of Lord Buddha is marked by a commemorative pillar erected by Maurya Emperor Ashok of India during his pilgrimage to the holy site in 249 BC. The inscription on the Ashok pillar identifies the sacred garden spread over 9 square kilometers as the spot where the Enlightenment one was born. Lumbini was known as Ruminindi in Ashok time. So answer is a Ruminindi pillar of Ashok Maurya. The original founder of the manuscripts and editor of Kautilya Arthashastra was R. Shamashastri. In 1905, R. Shamashastri discovered and published the Arthashastra, an ancient Indian treatise on statecraft. He transcribed, edited, and published the Sanskrit edition in 1909. He proceeded to translate it into English, publishing it in 1915. From which among the following rulers has the government of India borrowed and adopted its symbol? Ashok. The national emblem of India is derived from the time of the Emperor Ashok. It is replica of the Lion of Sarnath near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. The lion capital was erected in the Emperor Ashok in 3rd century BC to mark the spot where the Buddha first proclaimed his gospel of peace and emancipation. So answer is Ashok. Who was the author of Telugu work Amuk Malyada? Krishan Dev Rai. Krishan Dev Rai, the greatest emperor of the Vijayanagar Empire, composed Amuk Malyada, considered a masterpiece in Telugu literature. The epic poem is believed to have been written and dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara. Who composed the Allahabad Pillar inscription? The Allahabad Pillar inscription or Allahabad Prasasti is one of the most important epigraphs, evidence of the imperial Guptas. It was composed by Harisena, the court poet and minister of Samundragupta. So answer is Harisena. Gandhar art is the combination of Indo-Greek. Gandhar art was a style of Buddhist visual art that developed from a merger of Greek, Syria, Persian, and Indian artistic influence during the first few centuries of Christian era. The foreigner influence is evident from the sculpture of Buddha, in which they bear resemblance to the Greek sculptures. Both shakas and cushions were patrons of Gandhar school. So answer is Indo-Greek. Ajanta Ellora caves are situated near which of the following cities? Aurangabad. The Ajanta caves, comprising rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments, are located in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Ellora caves, one of the largest rock-cut monastery temple cave complexes in the world, are also located near Aurangabad. Ajanta and Ellora caves form one of the major tourist attractions in Marathwada region of Maharashtra. So answer is Aurangabad. Mohenjo-daro in Sindhi means Mohenjo-daro is interpreted as mound of the dead man in Sindhi and as a mound of Mohan, where Mohan is Krishna. The city's original name is unknown. Mohenjo-daro is located west of the Indus River in Larkana district, Sindh, Pakistan. So answer is mound of the dead. The Rathas of Mahabalipuram was built during the reign of Pallavs. Buddha gave his first sermon at the deer park in Sarnath. After attaining enlightenment at Bodh Gaya, Gautam Buddha went to Sarnath near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. It was at the deer park in Sarnath that he preached his first discourse on the Four Noble Truths to a group of 5 monks and set in motion the wheel of Dharma. Sarnath is mentioned by the Buddha as one of the 4 places of pilgrimage. So answer is Sarnath. Chalukya temples at Dilwara are situated in Rajasthan. The Dilwara Jain temple are located near Mount Abu in Rajasthan. These temples were built by Jain laymen between the 11th and 13th century AD and are world famous for the stunning use of marble. The Dilwara temple are a sacred pilgrimage place of the Jains. Who built the famous Shiv temple at Ellora? The Kailash temple at Ellora, Maharashtra was built in the 8th century by the Rashtrakoot king Krishna I, as attested in Kannada inscription. This is one of the 34 temples and monasteries known collectively as the Ellora Caves. It is a megalith carved out of one single rock. So answer is Rashtrakoot ruler Krishna I. 6th century BC was an age of religious ferment in the world. In India, it witnessed the birth of Buddhism and Jainism. So answer is religious ferment. Which one of the following tribal assemblies was normally involved in the election of tribal chief? Samiti. Which one of the following is not a sect of Buddhism? Digambar. Digambar sky-clad is one of the 2 main sects of Jainism, the other being Svetambar. Generally, Digambar monks wear no clothes, whereas Svetambar white-clad monks usually wear white cloth. So answer is Digambar. Varamihira is an astronomer. Varamihira was Indian astronomer, mathematician and philosopher. He was one of the 9 gems in the court of Gupta ruler Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Out of the following remains excavated in Indus Valley, which one of the indicates the commercial and economic development? The seals of the Indus Valley civilization have been of the major source for information about the periods. So answer is seals. The capital of Pallav was Kanchi, located on the bank of river Vegavati. Kanchipuram served as the capital city of the Pallav kingdom during the 4th to 9th century AD. The capital of Kanishka was Purashpur. The art style which combine India and Greek feature is called Gandhar. Gandhar art is the style of Buddhist visual art that developed in what is now northern Pakistan and eastern Afghanistan between the 1st century BC and the 7th century AD. The Indus people knew the use of weight and measures, which is provided by the discovery of the seal at Harappa. The people of the Indus Valley civilization achieved great accuracy in measure length, mass, and time. They were among the first to develop a system of uniform weights and measures. Their smallest division, which is marked on an Avery scale found in Lothal, was approximately 1.704 mm, the smallest division ever recorded on a scale of the Bronze Age. Identify the Buddhist literature from the following. Tripatak. Tripatak is a traditional term used by various Buddhist sects to describe their various canon of scriptures. In which state was the Nalanda University located in India? Bihar. Nalanda was an ancient center of higher learning in Bihar, India. It was a Buddhist center of learning from the 5th or 6th century Common Era to 1197 Common Era. थैंक यू। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।